Hey guys, welcome to the next part of the video. So let's get started. Number 30, create new sheets from values in list using VBA. Let's say we want to create a new sheet for each week in the year. So I've got this list going from week 1 down to week 52. We'll use a bit of VBA code down here to this for us. So I'll briefly explain. For sub procedure, add underscore sheet from underscore selection. We're first going to declare these 4 variables, and the main part happens here when we loop through every cell in the selection to create a new sheet and rename it. So for each C, in this case cell in range source, we'll assign the variable wks name, worksheet name, to be trim c dot text. So the text that's inside the cell, that just removes leading and trailing spaces. Now if the length of wks name is more than 0, then what we do is we add worksheet. Do it after worksheets.count, which is the total number of worksheet in the workbook. This just add a new worksheet to the end of all worksheets. Then active sheet.name, we have just added that worksheet. That's still the active sheet. We'll change the name to be the same as the variable wks name, and we do that every cell in the selection until they're all done. Now all you have to do is to put this macro inside your Personal Macro Workbook. So here it is. I have copied the text and pasted in here. I can give you a copy of this text if you guys can comment below, but I recommend you add it to a module inside your Personal Macro Workbook so that you can use it whenever you have an Excel on your desktop. Next, we're going to have a look at the list of worksheets. I have copied this into a new workbook, so all the way down to week 52. And if I select all that, Ctrl A, and then head back into the VBA editor and then run this macro by pressing this run button, this is going to do some work, and then it's added one sheet for each of the names in the list. And I can verify that by right clicking here and looking down. Yes, we have all the worksheets done in order. So that's much faster than using the pivot table method. All you need to do is create the macro ones, and you can use it anytime you want. So that's all for today. This was the series of 30 videos. If you enjoyed watching this type of videos, make sure to stay with us. Till then, have a great day.